Hi, this is the HUAWEI NOVA 11 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the Settings application, tap to Home Screen and Wallpaper section, tap to Wallpapers, OK. So we should just first allow some permissions, so tap to OK to permissions, media and files, allow. Okay, let's go back, and here now we could see all of our photos from our device gallery previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. To use our default wallpapers, or just by tap to more wallpapers to use the online wallpapers. But to use the online wallpapers, you should be connected to the internet, to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. So let's just use one from the default wallpapers. Just tap to apply, select lock screen, wait a second. Now let's just lock the device, and we could see that we just successfully changed it. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just first pinch, tap to wallpaper icon on the left down corner, and you'll see here all of the available the same wallpapers. Just select them. You could see the position to see the preview on home or lock screen. Just tap to apply lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.